Okay. Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn area of a square and area of rectangle. So first we will go area of a square. What is the formula of area of a square? Last time I gave you the formula. Area of a square is equal to side into side. So in short we can write side square. But in more short we can write A is equal to S into S, that is S square. So what is the formula of area of a square? A is equal to S square. Okay, the same way area of rectangle is equal to L into B, length into breadth. So first we will do area of a square. So we'll take one example. Find the area of the square whose sides are 10 centimeter. Question number A. The first question is find the area of the square whose sides are, first one is 10 centimeter. So side of a square is 10 centimeter. So we will do here, we will write area of a square is equal to, formula is what I told you, S square. So S square, and one side is given, that is 10 centimeter. So instead of this side I will write 10, and what is the formula? Square is there, so 10 square. In rough, if we will do 10 square means 10 into 10. So when we will multiply 10 into 10, it will come 100. So what I wrote here, 100 centimeter square. So first one was, the question is the side of a square is 10 centimeter. So first we will write area of a square is equal to formula. What is the formula? S square. And the side is already given 10, and that square is coming here. So 10 square means 10 into 10, that is 100. So answer is coming 100 centimeter square. The same way we will do the second one. Second one is 5 centimeter. So again we will write the same way, formula area of a square is equal to S square, that is the formula. And one side is given, that side is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. So instead of this side I will write 5, and square is there, so square. So again in rough column, if you will do 5 square means 5 into 5, that is coming 25. So 25 centimeter square. In the same way we will calculate area of rectangle. The formula is, again I told you, area of a rectangle is equal to L into B. L into B, length into breadth. So question number 2, find the area of the rectangle whose sides are 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Length and breadth is given here. Length and breadth is given here. So again in the same way we will write the formula area of rectangle is equal to L into B, length into breadth. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Again we wrote the formula in the same way. Then what is the length? Length is given here 5 and breadth is given 6. So 5 6 are 30, and your unit is centimeter, so centimeter square. Okay. See another question, one more question is there, that is 8 kilometer and 5 kilometer. So again we will write the formula area of rectangle is equal to L into B, length into breadth. So what is the length is 8 kilometer, what is the breadth? 5 kilometer. So 8 into 5 is equal to 8 5s are 40, and the unit is kilometer, so kilometer square. Once again I will repeat the same thing. Just see, today we are going to calculate area of a square and area of rectangle. I told you the formula of area of a square is equal to S square, and area of rectangle is equal to L into B, means length into breadth. So one example is here, find the area of the square whose sides are 10 centimeter. So simply what you will do, you will write the formula area of a square is equal to S square, and side is given 10 centimeter. So 10 square, 10 square means 10 into 10. that is 100 centimeter square. The second example is side is given 5 centimeter. So same way we will write area of a square is equal to S square, and the side is given 5. So 5 square. So 5 square means 5 into 5, that is 25 centimeter square. Now area of rectangle is equal to, I told you, length into breadth. The question is asking you find the area of the rectangle whose sides are 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So length and breadth is given here. So again you have to write the formula. Area of rectangle is equal to L into B. L into B. Now the length is given 5, breadth is given 6. So 5 6 are 30, and your unit is centimeter square. And the last one is 8 kilometer and 5 kilometer. So area of rectangle is equal to same formula, L into B. Now length is given here 8 kilometer, breadth is given 5. So 8 into 5, 40, and your unit is kilometer. So kilometer square. So I gave you 2 homeworks. So complete that homework and send it to my personal chat number. Thank you, class.